Hi, welcome to my video. I'm going to be showing you today, you've ordered all your Maskcara Beauty. Now what do you do? Well, we're going to set up our compact. Here's the tin that's arrived. You just slide it out and you're going to put it in the magnetic compact, click it right in. There you go. Now make sure you save that lid, okay? It's really important because that lifts the lid out of the compact if you need it, so just keep those. And then I'm just gonna pop in my other highlight, and I just like to keep them in order how I do it. So my mango color corrector first, then my main highlight, brightening, and then my contour. Just gonna prime my face with the stay spray. I'm just gonna put that on my Perfector sponge, and then we're just gonna dab that on our face just so that can sit in there before we apply everything. Mine is SPF 25 and I love it. My makeup, there's never any touch-ups. Now we can use any brush. I'm just using the 30-second hack brush from my color corrector. I find that one's just easy for me. So your color corrector is gonna be applied first. I use it for my redness and if I have any acne to color that up. It goes on very lightly and then you're just gonna dab it in. My Perfector sponge is already damp, so it's ready to go. So you just want to make sure that's set in there before you go on to your next step. And I just like using my contour next. It's just my preference. I'm using the detailed hack brush. I'm just dabbing it into the contour. I'm using Astoria. And let's get that hair back there. There we go. I'm gonna apply to below the cheekbones first. You can feel the bone, and then right below you're gonna apply that. Not too far in. And then we'll do the other side. And you can really see the dimension that the contour gives. I don't want you to be afraid of it. And we're gonna blend, so don't worry if it's too dark. And there's never any mistakes because everything can be fixed with just blending it in more, so don't ever be worried to apply it on the hairline and then below the chin, and then you blend downwards. And then I just put a little bit under the lip. Really finds it gives the lip dimension. And you don't have to if you want. We can contour the nose. I like to do that. Just gently do a line straight down the nose. You can feel the bone on the bridge there on the side, so I just apply it right along down there. Next, I am going to be applying my main highlight, which is Candlelit, on areas that don't have anything, and that is right underneath the cheekbone, right above the eyes. And I just bring it down a little bit, and I'll just go underneath the eyes quickly. And then we are going to do the brightening. This is white peach, and this is so important that you use in a triangle form. Go all the way up, and then all the way down, and you just dab it on. Not too much. See how it goes? A little bit goes a long way. See how far down and what a difference the brightening makes? Center of the forehead, down the nose. The finger is the easiest. And then you just dab a little bit on Cupid's bow and in the middle of your chin. Now we're going to be just blending everything in. You can either use a brush or the Perfector sponge. It doesn't matter, ladies. Anything can get the job done. It's just a preference. And I'm just starting with the highlights, the lighter ones first to blend in. See, it's in a dabbing motion. Just making sure everything is blended in. blend the contour upwards, and on the chin you go up. You don't want to draw the face down, so we're going to blend up and then down on the neck. Get that nose done, and then you are blended. The face is done. Now we're just going to do some fun stuff. Let's apply some blush. I'm using Tropicana, and again, you can use any brush you want depending on the kind of coverage you want, but I find they all work, and just put a little bit on here or there. I'm using the B² brush, a blush and bronzer one, and then just with my fingers I'm applying it on the lip too. Tropicana is a beautiful color, ladies. I love it. So now once that is on, I'm going to be using the Perfector sponge for my Illuminator. I think this just gives you such a beautiful glow. Apply it above the blush, on top of the eyelids, down the nose, and a little bit on Cupid's bow. You can use your fingers for that too. It's your preference, really. Look at that glow. I think it looks great. Now I'm just going to set my makeup with the Stay Spray. Close those eyes. Let that sit. And we are done. You did it. There is nothing that can't be fixed. Questions, comments, let me know.